Are you curious about the new AI mode in Chrome's address bar and how it can transform the way you browse and search online? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on unlocking this smart feature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use AI mode to get instant, insightful answers right from the Chrome browser, making your browsing sessions much more efficient and interactive. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you open your Google Chrome browser. If Chrome isn't your default, just look for the colorful circle icon. Red, yellow, green, and a splash of blue, and give it a click. It should open up to your default homepage, or maybe to a set of tabs if you're someone who likes to keep a lot going on. If Chrome takes a moment to load, don't worry, that's normal, especially if you haven't used it in a while or your computer is waking up. Once Chrome is open, your next step is to head over to google.com. To do this, you can simply type google.com directly into the address bar right at the top of your browser window. It's where you'd usually type website addresses or search queries. Press enter, and you should see the familiar Google homepage with the logo front and center, and the search bar inviting you to try something new. Here's where the real magic happens. Look for the search bar in the middle of the screen. That's where you'll enable AI mode. Now, sometimes Google rolls out features like this gradually. So if you don't immediately see an option labeled AI mode, try refreshing the page or make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. For most users, though, you'll see a little button or suggestion right in the search bar that says AI mode. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, Google's enhanced AI-driven capabilities activate, letting you ask questions in a whole new way. At this point, you're ready to interact directly with the AI. This is the exciting part. You can ask pretty much anything. Maybe you want some help figuring out how to organize your daily tasks. Just type "how to organize your daily task" into the AI mode search bar and hit enter. The AI will quickly process your request and provide tailored suggestions, tips, or even step-by-step guidance. It's like having a digital assistant right at your fingertips. If you've ever tried making sense of productivity advice scattered across dozens of web pages, you'll appreciate how this narrows everything down instantly. You might be wondering, what else can I do? The answer is almost anything. For instance, you can ask, "Who is the founder of Google?" Type that into AI mode, and the response you get won't just tell you Larry Page and Sergey Brin, but often gives you extra details about their backgrounds or why they started Google. This is perfect for quick fact-checking, learning new things on the fly, or just satisfying your curiosity without sifting through search results. There's no limit to the type of questions you can explore with AI mode. From practical advice, like how to change a flat tire or cook pasta al dente, to deep dives into history, science, or tech. If at any point the response isn't quite what you wanted, refine your question and try again, or ask a follow-up. The more specific your request, the more accurate and helpful the answer will be. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to use AI mode directly in Chrome's address bar to boost your searching experience and get smarter results. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need troubleshooting help. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for making technology work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.